Hello, Excel friends. So since a few came by office hours and were asking about Paste Special and we're seeing some different results, I thought that I would show you really quickly the solution for this particular exercise here in the week 3 financials. I actually have a solution there, but I want to show you the difference for Paste Special and how that might solve a problem that some of you might encounter. So this is the one where we got to grab Excel data from the web. And so what I'm going to do is I'm over here in Yahoo Financials. If I type in Netflix in here, I can find information for Netflix Inc. And I'm going to go into the financials area here. And I can see that I've got data up here from the top of breakdown. It looks like they've changed the name. When we originally did this, this was just said revenue up here, and it showed the different years. But we've got this data here that we're grabbing. It's the annual data. I'm going to go down here to the end of net income, and I'll click on it. So again, I clicked just before where it said breakdown here. If you hold down, you can drag down a little bit, but if you hold down your cursor key, your shift key, and then click to the end, you'll highlight all of this data. So this is the data that I'd asked you in the exercise to grab. I'm going to do a Command C. Now this is where the things might be tricky for you. Here I am over in Excel. And if you paste in, sometimes when you paste in, you'll see things are in a big line here, and that doesn't look good at all. It looks nothing like what we had here. But watch what you can do. I'm going to undo, so Command Z or Control Z on Windows. I'm going to go up under here, under Home, and whoops, under the Home ribbon. And under Paste, you've got a pull down here. One of them is you can keep source formatting, you can match destination formatting, you've got Paste Special as well. So I'm going to click on Paste Special, I'm going to select Text, I'm going to select OK, and look, it's all been reformatted for you there. Now one thing you will notice is the first line's formatting didn't catch. So we've got everything in its own separate cell as it should be for everything in the worksheet except for the very first line, but this is pretty easy for us to fix. So what we can do is we can just grab this data here, feel free to go ahead and compare with the different columns. We should have TTM, and then we should have the 2018, 2017, 2016, and 2015 column. So what I'm going to do here is I just copied what was on the end. I cut that out, actually. Then if I paste this here, I just go through line by line, and I'm going to grab, okay, TTM was the first thing that we'd had, and then I'm going to cut this out. I'm going to paste this bit in. Then after 2018, I'm going to cut out this bit. And I'm going to paste in the 2017, the 2016, and you can move your cursor over using your cursor keys as well. And I'm going to grab 2015 just for the end here. And great, so now we've got everything that looks exactly like this. You can go ahead and reformat that if you want. If you have a situation where things are in number signs, remember you can just stretch your cursors out by clicking in between the different letters. And so hopefully this clarifies how you can go ahead and use Paste Special if things aren't pasting in properly from the web. Good luck on the test. Keep at it.